Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. We're going to show off some of my cars. This case, we'll just call it the Johnny Lightning case, car case. It's not a Johnny Lightning car case. I just got the sticker with a Johnny Lightning car, and I just put it on one of the cases. So this is just a big assortment. It's just all mixed up. Alright, yeah, I've got muscle machines in here, just science fiction looking things. Just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Some of them might look familiar, where I've reviewed some that look similar, but maybe they might be like a different color or something. My nose itches. Let's start off with this one. You guys ever seen this one before? This is a NASA rescue. It says HWSA, Hot Wheels Space Administration Rescue. Why did I say NASA? It doesn't say NASA. I think I always think it does. When I look at that HWSA, in my mind I'm seeing NASA. I don't So yeah, it's made by Hot Wheels. It is heavy. It's a heavy booger right there. Metal bottom. It's an original 1988 Hot Wheels. Mattel Incorporated, made in Malaysia. It's in really, really good shape. Rolls very nicely. Here's another crazy looking science fiction looking thing. Looks like maybe like an F-15 fighter jet, maybe. Has this crazy engine up here on the top. The dual exhaust coming out the back of that. It has a metal bottom. Made by Hot Wheels as an MT-3 vehicle. It's a 1984. Yeah, 1984. It's in really good condition. Rolls real nice. Has blue, has blue metal flake in it. Hot Wheels insignia back here on the spoiler. This HWSA, the color of it is a blue. Most of it's blue. The backside is white. Kind of has this whole back end. Looks like the back end of a car, but yet it looks like the back end of a rocket ship too, kind of thing. You know, like it could do this. Has a large dome window on it. The front end kind of has kind of a Maserati look to it. Wheels are plastic. Rims are, yeah, the rims, tires, whatever, they're just about normal. And this jet car, MT-3, as like I said, blue metal flake. It has the underside is white. It doesn't roll. Well, it doesn't roll too bad, really. Let's see, how many more crazy looking intergalactic science fiction looking things? How about this one right here? So we got a purple. It says classified on it. Hot Wheels classified. white stripe going down the side. Has a ultraviolet looking, purplish looking windshield. It's kind of slanted. It looks like an actual fighter spaceship type thing. With it laying down, you can't see the wheels. I mean, with it all the way to the ground, you can't see the wheels. They're all covered up by, they're all receded up inside the wheel well. You can see like that, you can barely see the wheels, see. The front end is kind of pointy. It looks like, I mean, it just looks like a science fiction car. It's really cool. The white stripe going down the side, it has kind of the, you know, the heartbeat going through there. Looks like it flatlines a little bit and it does it again, goes that way. Inside these little triangle things, you can see the wheel inside there. If you look inside those little slits, well, this one right here, you can see the front tires inside there. It's kind of hard to show, but let's see. So it does have a metal bottom. The tires are plastic. This is a 1994 Mattel Incorporated. See how it rolls. Oh yeah, wow. It rolls really nice. Any more science fiction looking cars in here? Don't look like it. Well, this is kind of a science fiction-y looking truck. It is black. It's got that Cylon looking front window shield, like the front of the Cylons. I think it's in Battlestar Galactica. Their face shield, their eye shield, kind of looks like that a little bit. It's the back of it to carry a car on. Yeah, let's see. This front grille, I don't know, that looks familiar. Can't place it though. On the side it says motored, M-O-T-O-R, comma, E-D, transport, huh. See, yeah, has some teeth and fangs right there. See them right there? It goes into a little flame going down the side. Hot rod rise. Hot rod. Oh, no. Okay, not for hire. That's what it says. Not for hire. So it's got some big wheels back here in the back. It's got some regular wheels in front of that, sort of toward the center of the truck. Then it's got regular wheels up front. Plastic bottom, metal top. It's called a Cabin Fever. It's a 2000 Mattel Incorporated Hot Wheels. Rolls pretty nice. Yeah. What time we got? Okay. This is kind of science fiction-y looking. So we got a purple. I think I had another one that kind of reminded me like what a vampire would drive, you know. This kind of has that kind of appearance. So it's got a long nose on it. It's got huge pipes coming out the side. It's got a grill, but it's kind of up on top of the nose. Then it's got another little silver part up here. I don't know what. Oh, that's the scoop. That's the scoop right there. That's the intake. Windshield has that old look to it where it's separated in the center. Those drag race cars that had the long front end that went all the way out, went way out. I think they were just called dragsters, but I'm not totally sure about that. But it kind of has that kind of a nose, only it's not as long as that. And it's got this big old rear end back here. Has these crazy looking dual exhaust coming out here as well. And they're already coming out of the pipes here, but it's coming out the back side too. And it's even got some little half moon looking window here, like a moonroof or something. All kinds of stuff on here. Metal bottom. This is called Hammered Coupe. Thing's heavy. Hot Wheels, 2000, Mattel Incorporated. The tires are big in the back, small up front. Oh yeah. Wow, that rolls really good. Here's an antique. Red. Has a black scoop on the hood. It's very chipped up. It's a 1974 Hot Wheels. It's got a plastic bottom, metal top. Thrill Drivers is what it's called. I'm not sure what that is. I'd love to have a new one of these. I want to say Gran Torino. No, I don't think that's what that is, though. Yeah, it's got a little short fin in the back, a little spoiler back there, lips up. The tires are rough. They're rough looking. The axles are actually in pretty good shape considering it's a 1974 car. Metal top, yeah. Doesn't roll real good, but considering it's still in pretty good shape. How about, yeah, I had one of these I showed off yesterday, I think. This was bought for me. I think my nephew got this for me. Big Lou's Speedy Delivery. When you absolutely positively gotta have it yesterday. Mr. Big. Yellow. Big fat tires in the back. Regulars up front. Has a plastic bottom. This is called a Dairy Delivery. It's a 1997 Hot Wheels, made in Malaysia. Yellow with black, sharp spike looking stickers, decals on the top, decals going down the side, same, and they're like black, highlighted with, or outlined with like orangish reddish colors. What does this say back here? Serving Southern California since 1917. Oh, it doesn't say that on this side. Yeah, it does. No, since 1971. Can't read that real good. Hot Wheels insignia back there. It's pretty heavy. It's a heavy little car. Did you get to see the stickers and stuff? It's a panel van or van type of a vehicle. Has big dual exhaust coming out back here. Has that kind of front end. Wow, that rolls really good. Wheels are plastic. It's got a long, kind of looks like a bus type of a windshield type thing. Long side windows. All right. What else we got? I think I had a pickup that was Harley Davidson motorcycles type theme. Did I say pickup? That's what this is. It's a pickup with the back bed on it. It's black. It's a 1979 Ford F-150. 1999, made in Thailand. Plastic bottom, regular tires, metal top. It's got some crazy looking flames going down the side of it. Harley Davidson motorcycles on the top, sticker. Windows are kind of orangish. This back bed, this back camper shell is plastic and orange. It's got a long bed on that thing. The front grille is definitely, obviously, a Ford grille. Regular mag wheels, mag rims. Says Hot Wheels on one side, down there. Somebody must have bought this for me, because I don't know if I would have bought this or not. It's cool. All right, let's do one more. How about this one? It's a black Mattel Hot Wheels stickers on it. Says a T-Bird. Yeah. I guess that's a Thunderbird. Don't look like it, but yeah, sure enough. Hot Wheels Thunder Burner. Thunder Burner. Yeah. It burns thunder. It's a 1983. Wow. A 1983 Hot Wheels. I didn't know it was going to be that old. It's in good shape. Red interior. The wheels are great. They're all spoked out there. Has a metal bottom, metal top. It's a heavy little car. Lots of detail on the underside with the transmission, the axle down there. Oh yeah, that rolls good. Kind of goes to the right just a little bit, but other than that, it's in real good shape. Hardly has any kind of chips or scratches on it at all. What's this all this say up here? I think it's supposed to be some sponsors, but I can't read a lot of them. STP. They didn't do too good with the detailing, but it's neat. Yeah, black. Like I said, red Hot Wheels sticker going from the top down the hood, and then Mattel kind of goes at an angle on the side there. Okay. I thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.